Good day everyone. Today i-explain ko sa inyo if how data sent, an overview of digital communication. How is data sent? By converting it into digital binary format, then sending its a bits through physical medium like fiber optic or copper cable or wireless via radio wave. Every time you send a message, watch a video or browse a internet, your device is sending and receiving digital signal. The signal travel through various me- media like cable, fiber optic, or wireless networks. The presentation explain how to data moves from sender to receive a systematic process. So here's the example. When you send a photo via messenger or phone, converts that image into binary code. That code travels over the internet and reassemble as a photo of your friend's phone. Encode data. What's a encode data? Encode data is the process of converting data into a specific format of particular purpose, such as efficient storage, transmission of process by algorithm. Binary data is abstract to transmit it device encode it into a form suitable for the medium encode methods. Therefore, depending on whatever the medium is electrical copper wire, optic fiber, or wireless, encoding must be reversible so the receiver can decode it back to binary. Encoding data is the process of transforming information into a specific format so it can be transmitted, stored, or processed efficiently. Computers and communication systems use encoding to presenting digital information like ones and zero through different physical medium like electricity, light, or radio waves. Encoding ensures that sender and receiver understand the signal in the same way, making communication possible. Sample: copper wire digital signals encoded as electrical voltage. A high voltage represents 1 and the low voltage represents 0. Fiber optic data is encoding using light signal. A flash of light means 1, while snow light means 0. Wi-Fi is a wireless, so 1 and 0 are encoded as change in radio wave frequency or phasing, allowing wireless device to exchange information. Sample like CD and DVD. The data is encoding is a tiny bits of land on the disk surface, read by laser as a ones and zero. Modulation. Yan. Modulation is a process of alternating carry signal properties such as amplitude, frequency, or phase to encode transmitted information, allowing to travel it efficiently through medium like air or wires. Modulation is the process of modifying carrier signals like wave of electricity, light, or radio frequency to carry information such as voice, music, or data, since raw digital signals 1 and 0 cannot always travel long distance efficiency. Modulation allowed to ride a carry wave by changing the amplitude, frequency, or phase of the wave information that can be transmitted over various medium air like copper wire. Example, PM radio uses a frequency modulation where the frequency of the carrier's wave vary to represent audio signals. Wi-Fi or 4G, 5G use the advantage digital modulation methods like ano, like QAM. It means quadrature amplitude modulation to transmitted a high-speed internet data efficiency. Transmission channels. A transmission challenge that can be described by giving the set of input signals that can be used to entrance of the channel that set output signals. A transmission channel is a medium through which data signals travel from the sender to receiver. This can be physical like copper wires or fiber optics, or even wireless like radio waves, Wi-Fi, or Bluetooth. The channel plays a huge role determining the speed and quality and reliability of communication. Example, when you use Wi-Fi, the transmission channel is radio waves. And when you make phone call, your bits travel to the fiber optic channels like cir- circular data network. Watching Netflix on your phone uses the internet channel over Wi-Fi or mobile data. Receiving data. Receiving data is a process where the destination device takes the transmitted signal, then demodulate them back into binary digit 1 and 0, and then decode those digit into meaningful information, text, image, or even audio or video. Receiving data is a process in which destination device collect the signal sent by transmitter, converts them back to binary code, and decode them into meaningful information. So example, when you download a photo on a messenger on your phone, receive signal, decode them back, and display the image. And when you're watching a YouTube video, your device constantly receive packet of the data, converts them back into video and sound. Error handling. Error handling is the process of detecting and correcting errors that occurs during data transmission. Error handling is refers to the process of anticipating, anticipating defective and responding to unexpected situation like anomalies and occurs during the execution execution of the program or process. Error handling occurs the accuracy of transmitted data. Errors may occur due to the interface weak signals or technical glitches. So, example, when you're sending an email, error handling makes sure that texts are attached, not to not are to corrupted. If you send a WhatsApp message, a weak signal area are the app that tries to sending until it is delivered correctly. When streaming music, error handling prevents glitches and request, re-requesting lost audio packets. Data packets. What is a data packets? Data packets is a small structured chunk of large message containing a proportion data along with addressing or error checking information. A small individual chunk of information broken down from a larger message use the communication over computer network like the internet. Um, a data packet is a small organized piece of the information that is a part of large message being transmitted across a network. Instead of sending a one big file or message at a once, the network breaks into smaller packets. Each packets carry data, the sender and receiver data, and the error checking codes ensure they reach the correct destination without mistake. Example, when you send a chat message on Facebook Messenger, your text is split into packets. Each packet is transmitted separately and reassembled so your friend can read the whole message. Streaming the YouTube video, like the video is divided into many data packs. If the one data pack delayed, buffering happens until it arrives. So, like example, downloading a file. The file is broken down into packets, sent over the internet, and put it back together the device. And that's all, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.